So this is my 2007 Corvette. Just a little background information to this. The door control module on the driver's side went bad, so I had to take it to a shop that my buddy worked at to get replaced. The door control module is a part of the window regulator, and it went bad. I wasn't able to open or close the window along with the door. I wasn't able to close it either because the window goes up and down when you open and close the door. So it got fixed, and I went to go pick it up a couple days later after it got fixed, and my wife and we drove down to go pick up the car. Get the car back, not even 5 minutes on the road, and I get rear-ended by my own vehicle that my wife was driving. So this rear-ended my Jeep, or rear-ended my Corvette, I should say, not my Jeep. But I took the front bumper off just to assess the damage, and luckily there doesn't appear to be any frame damage. So it just cosmetic. The bumper has to get replaced, quarter panel has to get replaced, and the hood will probably have to get repaired and fix a little rust forming there. But the video that I'm making is not about this vehicle. It is indeed about my Corvette. So from this side, it looks like there's no damage whatsoever. But of course, rear ends happen in the back part of the car, and it did a number on it when the Jeep rear-ended it. So as you can see, the impact bar is completely bent on the passenger side. The tub, the rear tub where the trunk's at, has to get replaced also. Of course, the rear bumper is destroyed. The energy absorber, the foam energy absorber is destroyed. And so essentially I have to order a whole entire new rear bumper, tub, foam energy absorber, and a new quarter panel. So over the course of the past month or so, I've been looking online, eBay, Craigslist, anything to find the parts. I have approximately 95% of the parts already here. Everything's here already. I have a new quarter panel. I shouldn't say new, it's used, but new to me. This is in atomic orange, so this has to get repainted. The rear bumper is matching color, and I'll just have to get detailed. There's some scratches and scuffs on it, but nothing that a good detailer won't be able to get out. I have the new energy absorber right here, and a new wheel liner that had replaced also, because the one that was on it obviously is broken. You can see this hole here in the wheel liner. That's where the impact bar was bent into that, and it was rubbing up against the tire, causing that hole. So again, here's the other broken components I had replaced. Actually, funny enough, you can see a little bit of the sticker left over. The word Diablo was a vinyl sticker there, and my wife and friends tease me. That's the reason why it was rear-ended, because it had the word devil on it. But yeah, that's that. So I went to Maaco, and people are going to say, don't go to Maaco. It's don't go there. It's not worth it. They're going to do a bad job. The Maaco that I'm going to be taking it to has like these stupid, ridiculously good reviews. So I took the Corvette there by trailer, and they quoted me. I don't have the paperwork in front of me. Maybe I'll find it in just a moment. But nonetheless, they quoted me about $2,500 in repairs to get the Corvette back in, I guess, running condition. I think I have it right here. It is the Maaco, located in Land O'Lakes, and there's the address there. But as you can see here, there's a list of stuff that they're going to do to fix the vehicle. And on the rear page, just bear with me, we have a total of how much it's going to cost to get fixed. And you can see the circled number, about $2,500 to get fixed. And that's not including the parts that I bought. That's just simply putting the car together, putting the body components on, fixing it, getting it ready on the road. So that's just the base number that they gave me. Of course, they have to take everything apart, and if there's more damage, especially with the frame, it's going to go up in price. So I'm expecting, you know, to pay somewhere between $2,500 and $5,000, you know, just for Maaco's portion only, as far as the repairs. This rear tub I bought off of eBay. It's just I would just call it a skeleton. There's no other components with it. This I bought off of eBay for, excuse me, $450. But of course, you know, when you include shipping, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg for it. So shipping was like $400. So I spent almost $850 to ship this to my house. It was freight, and it went to my house, which was good. I hadn't to go pick it up anywhere. The foam energy absorber I got for $99 off of eBay. The rear bumper, this is probably the best deal I ever got. The whole entire rear bumper assembly, including all the lights, the wire harness that's underneath, you can't see it right now, but it's all there. Everything to go on the back part of the car is all here. Everything is wires, lights, everything. Rear valence, I'm sure I mentioned that already. I bought this whole rear bumper for less than $600. And if I would have bought all this new, I'm sure it would have cost, you know, maybe 3 times that amount. So I was really fortunate to get this at that price. The wheel liner, I think I paid $125, and the rear passenger fender, I think I paid just a little bit under $200 for that. So approximately 5 or 6, that's, you know, $700 to $800. That's probably, you know, $150. So it's probably $1,000 just for this part, just for these parts here. The rear tub again was $850. So just parts alone to get replaced is less than $2,000. Again, Maaco's portion is going to be somewhere between $25,000 and I'm expecting $5,000. It's just, you know, a little range that I'm giving myself, that way I don't get, you know, unforeseen contingencies as far as surprises. So that's currently where I'm at right now. You can see the impact bar here has dug into the rear tire, so I'm probably sure I'll have to get a new set at some point after it's repaired, but it does move on its own. I wouldn't take it on the highway or a road just for safety reasons. Of course, there's no taillights, so I couldn't do that anyway, so that's why I'm putting it on a trailer. But yeah, so that's currently the damage that I have on this vehicle. So hopefully, when I drop it off at Maaco tomorrow, I should have the car back within the next week or two, and I'll give updates along the way from what I hear, or hopefully I won't hear anything and they'll just say, hey, it's fixed, it's ready to go. But this is the current damage that it has. I've had, you know, friends, family tell me, you know, just to, you know, total the car, don't worry about it. But this car has a little sentimental value to me. And even my family was saying, oh, just buy the new Corvette, you know, you can get the ZR1, Z06 or what have you. But it's quite interesting to me that this is the car that I wanted when I was in high school. I graduated in 2006, and so this was the car that I wanted. So that's currently why I'm fixing the car, just because of sentimental value. From a financial perspective, it would be, you know, a complete, you know, waste of money, but I'm getting it fixed, and like I said, I'll give updates along the way.